You could be making a deadly mistake in your home right now without you even knowing it. Ever mix bleach and ammonia? How about vinegar and hydrogen peroxide? Some cleaning combos can create toxic gas, burn your skin, and even explode. One wrong mix could send you to the ER or even worse. So stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I will reveal the most dangerous cleaning mistakes you need to avoid. Let's get into it. Hey there, cleaning warriors. We all love that fresh smelling germ-free home, right? But what if I told you that some of your everyday cleaning habits could actually put you in serious danger? Yep, that innocent mix of cleaning products under your sink could turn your home into a toxic hazard zone. So today we're going to be diving deep into the dangerous world of the cleaning product combinations you should never mix. Some can cause poisonous gas, others can burn your skin, damage your lungs, and a few, well, let's say, belong in the science experiment, not your bathroom. So before you grab that spray bottle and sponge, watch this video all the way through, because what you don't know could actually hurt you. All right, first up, we have bleach and ammonia. You might think, hey, both of these are strong cleaners, so together they must be twice as powerful. Well, yes, they are powerfully dangerous. Mixing bleach and ammonia creates chloramine vapors, a toxic gas that can cause coughing, chest pain, and nausea, and even severe lung damage. In extreme cases, it can be fatal. This deadly mistake often happens in bathrooms, where people use bleach to disinfect and ammonia-based glass cleaners on mirrors. Just few whiffs of this gas can have you gasping for air. So if you see ammonia on the label, keep it far, far away from that bleach. All right, number 2. Bleach is back again, this time with vinegar. We love vinegar for its natural cleaning power, but you mix it with bleach, bad idea. Why? Because bleach meets an acid like vinegar and it releases chlorine gas. And trust me, you do not want to breathe in this chlorine gas. It can cause severe breathing problems, burning eyes and throat, permanent lung damage, and just to make things worse, chlorine gas was actually used as a chemical weapon in World War I. Okay, last one for bleach, because honestly, bleach has too many enemies. Mixing bleach with rubbing alcohol creates chloroform. Yes, the same chloroform you see in movies that knocks people out. But in real life, it is no joke. Even small amounts of chloroform fumes can make you dizzy, cause nausea, and even damage your nervous system. If you're exposed too long, it can lead to unconsciousness and organ failure. So if you need to disinfect something with rubbing alcohol, just keep the bleach out of it. Now, you might have heard that both hydrogen peroxide and vinegar are great natural cleaners, and that's true, but never mix them in the same container. When combined, they form a prussic acid, which can irritate your skin, damage your lungs, and can cause severe burns. Some people think, I can create a super strong disinfectant, but instead, they end up with a dangerous chemical that actually eats away at surfaces and harms their health. So if you want to use both, do it separately. Wipe with one, then rinse, then use the other. Clogged drains are a pain, and we get it. You just want to pour all the strong stuff down there and hope for the best. But that's exactly what you shouldn't do. Different drain cleaners contain various strong chemicals, and when mixed, they can create toxic fumes, corrosive reaction, and even explosions. Yep, an actual explosion inside your pipes. So if one drain cleaner doesn't work, don't reach for another. Just call a plumber and use a plunger instead. Okay, let's take a break from all the danger. Let's talk about mix that not harmful but totally useless. Baking soda and vinegar. You've seen those cleaning hacks on the internet saying this combo will unclog your drains and clean your whole house. But let's break it down. Baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid. When they are mixed, they are neutralizing each other into mostly water and carbon dioxide gas. So while you might see some fizzing, that's just a reaction. It's not actually cleaning anything. The only time this is useful, maybe as a fun volcano experiment with your kids. All right, we've talked about what not to mix. So what should you do? Here are some safe alternatives. Use one cleaner at a time. Never mix chemicals unless you're absolutely sure they're safe together. Read the labels carefully. If they say, do not mix bleach, believe it. Use natural options. Simple ingredients like baking soda by itself, vinegar by itself, Castile soap can do a great job without the risk. Ventilate your space. Always clean in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. So there you have it. Some of the most dangerous cleaning combos you should never mix. Cleaning should make your home safer, not turn it into a chemistry experiment gone wrong. So be smart, read your labels, and never assume two good cleaners will work better together. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home safety tips, and let us know in the comments, have you ever made one of these mistakes? I would love to hear that. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there and keep it clean, and have a blessed day.